Hey, how's it going? My name is Eric, and I'm currently completing my internship here as a physical therapy technician at Aspen. I'm recording I'm recording this at my internship location. This is where I've had the opportunity to grow, personally and professionally. So I'm going to answer the questions. First one, reflecting on my pre-internship self-evaluation. When I think about my pre-internship self-evaluation, I see I've grown so much in my understanding of like clinic flow and patient responsibility and care. In the beginning, I was very hesitant to talk to people, to be able to help them with the various exercises they needed. And then as I got more and more comfortable, through repetition and doing it correctly, I got better. I was able to handle more patients at once, give people more confidence about my abilities to help them work through all the protocols they needed to work through. So I have much more confidence in taking initiative, especially regarding setups, understanding the protocols, being more able to read the room. If PT needs something, I want to be there to be able to ask that or be able to give them something without them having to ask. It allows them to focus on their job and get things done a lot quicker and more efficient. Plus, it makes me more reliable. They, like I said, without having to ask, this is a valuable skill. So this is something that I want to achieve, and I think I'm getting a lot better at. My communication and teamwork skills also are getting better every single day. So it's all about the group, the team getting the job done. It's not individual. Next one, enjoying the duties and deciding on. The patient interaction was one of the most enjoyable aspects of my internship. I worked in the clinic with patients, and you really get to know them. The more you get to know them, the more they trust you, the more they believe that what you're saying is correct, and the more they're going to keep doing it. So I saw a group of patients constantly throughout my internship, and I watched them through some of the rehabs. So it's nice to see them go from hurt, pre-injury, injury, or pre-surgery, post-surgery, and then better. They all have various forms of disabilities, whether it be anything from like a broken shoulder, or dislocated shoulder, or wrist, or something like that, or torn muscle or ligament. All of them made a comeback, and they're using strength and conditioning and physical therapy techniques to make sure that they healed properly. So my next step is completing my bachelor's in kinesiology and with Concordia, graduating, in June. And after that, I'm gonna work towards. I definitely want to work towards becoming a certified strength and conditioning specialist, or CSCS, and definitely want to pursue my master's in strength and conditioning. Eventually, I want to be the kind of like a hybrid and integrate physical therapy, and it's things that I like. It's principles within the athletic performance, field that I'm gonna look for. So the facility, if I were to able to open one, is definitely going to incorporate things like this as well, because I find it after experiencing every single day, you realize the value it is. And this internship, it has helped me sharpen that vision of what I want. Maybe more confident in my path. Okay, so it's a great time, and I hope you guys had a great one too. Okay, take care.